Hey guys, it's Nick with Tidewater Painting, and today I'm going to show you how to pressure wash your house. Okay, so why do you power wash your house? Rule number one, you power wash your house not only to make it look good, but also to prevent the paint from wearing down over time and causing the wood underneath it to rot. The last thing you want to do is wait too long to power wash your house till you have rotted wood. Now, preventative maintenance is the best maintenance, so get your house power washed once a year, or you can do it yourself in the steps that I'm about to show you to make it super easy. A few things you'll notice is that this house has cobwebs and mold and dirt splattered up on the side of it, which will all be taken care of when you power wash. Now on this house specifically, we have to do some rotted wood repair because it's been a while since this house has been cleaned. Right up here, paint has been worn down so much by dirt and debris and grime that it's actually rotted a hole straight through the wood and up to your soffit. That's also a place where squirrels and birds and anything can get in, so you want to prevent that by cleaning your house once a year. Also, you can see all of this mold that's going up the side here. We actually took the gutters and downspouts off of this house so we can clean the soffits and fascia more thorough. Okay, so I'll take you through the power washing setup that we have, and I'll show you some tips on how to get the best setup working for your needs. We're using a Honda GX30, which is a professional grade power washer, and I'll link it in the video description below. But also I will add a link to a DIY pull behind power washer that would work just as fine. Now this machine is a 5.5 gallon a minute machine, which will make washing and rinsing your house go a whole lot faster. Okay, so in this bucket we have our bleach. You can use Great Value bleach or whatever bleach you can find. Clorox works okay. This is a professional grade bleach that we buy from a pressure washing store. This will eat up any mold or dirt or debris that is stuck on your house that just regular water can't rinse off. This is a product called Eliminator. We use Eliminator for two reasons. One, it helps get rid of, it actually melts and dissolves spider webs and cobwebs, but it also makes the bleach smell like lemon, so it doesn't have such a harsh bleach smell. We mix 3 gallons of bleach, 5 ounces of Eliminator, and then we top the rest off with water in this 5-gallon bucket. This bucket has a siphon hose that goes up to our power washer that feeds it in to our pressure line that's connected to our wand that we've pulled behind the house to get started. So I'll go ahead and take you around the back of the house now where we're gonna get started. We're gonna go ahead and start at one corner and work our way around, and then go back down at the bottom and power wash all of the mold and algae off the brick. And then we're gonna come back and rinse all of this off with just clean water. Although this mixture of bleach and water does not hurt your plants or damage your furniture, you do want to move it away from the house to make sure you can clean all of the surfaces, and that way when you go to pull your grill out next summer, you don't have a big spot of mold right behind your grill. Alright, so check it out. Okay, so when you're soaping your house, you want to start from the bottom and work your way to the top to prevent any missed spots. Don't forget you can hit those high peaks with a 0-degree tip from the ground, and you don't have to use a ladder. Don't forget to hit the nooks and the dormers and hit them from every side to prevent any missed spots. Okay, now with soap on everything, we're gonna go ahead and go around the bottom with a high pressure tip and power wash all the green stuff with high pressure. Low pressure doesn't really work on porous brick or foundation block, so we have to use a green pressure tip for that. that we've got the house soaped up and bleached up and high pressure clean down at the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it with just clean water. We're gonna start at the top and work our way to the bottom to make sure we leave no suds behind so the windows don't get streaky. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and continue on the rest of the house. If you wanna check out any of the products or equipment that we used in this video, you can check the video description below. Also, if you wanted to follow us on Facebook or Instagram, those links will be popped up right here, also in the video description below. Now, I hope you learned how to power wash your house efficiently. I'm gonna continue on. You guys have a good day. Thank you for watching Tidewater Painting.